now it's the last class of the day. You guys have worked really, really hard. I'm proud of you. But we have to get in our math class, okay? So it's not going to be that long, and you're going to enjoy the activity, okay? Especially the worksheet. So what you're going to need page 145 and 146, this page and this page 145 and page 146. And you're going to need this worksheet for me, okay? So look through your packet and get this particular worksheet. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to start off with, let's do a little bit of review. Everything that we're doing in math now is review. There are absolutely no new skills. From this point on, everything is review, nothing new, okay? So let's start off today with counting the 90 family, okay? The 90 family. Ready, go. 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. How many of you guys said 100? You better not say 100, that's not a part of the 90 family. Okay, so let's count by, we haven't done this in a while. Let's count by twos, from 2 to 20. Go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Let's do it one more time by twos. Go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Good. Let's count by fives. Go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Good. Now let's finish it off by counting by tens. Ready? Go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good, 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 good. Okay. And I want you to look at the board behind me, and this is going to go along with page 145, number 1, okay? I don't have the same shapes that they have on number 1 because you're going to have to figure that out by yourself, but I'm going to do the review skill with you, okay? Now, what you're going to do is you're going to divide each one of those shapes into halves. Remember, I taught you that when you divide something in half, when you split it down the middle, each side is the same, okay? One side is not bigger than the other. They're both the same. So I want you to look at the shapes that I have on the board. I have a heart. Miss O'Donnell divided the heart right down the middle. So these two sides are the same. So I'm going to color one half of the shape. So I'm coloring this half. Okay, I colored one half of the shape because they're both the same, and I'm only coloring one half. Okay, now I have a what? A square. A square has 4 sides, 4 corners, and all of the sides are the same length. I'm going to color one half. Do you guys agree that I colored one half? Yeah. Okay, now, look at the circle. First of all, can Miss O'Donnell color one half of the circle? I can't. Why not? Why can't I color one half of the circle? Very good, I hear you, because it hasn't been divided into halves, because this side is bigger than this side. So can I color? No, because it has not been divided into halves. So on page 145, that's exactly what you're going to do. You're going to color one half of each shape. Now, Miss O'Donnell threw this one in just to trick you, but all of those shapes on page 145 have been divided into halves. So you're going to color the half of each picture, okay? I just threw this one in there just to challenge you a little bit. Okay, go terminology really, really quick, okay? You see these two problems have the plus sign. So those number sentences, you must do what? You must add, because these are addition signs. And when you add, what are you doing? You're putting everything together. Very good. Now, what are these called? Very good. Good job. They're called add-ins. Add-in, add-in. And what's the answer? Does anybody remember? Good job. It's called the sum. So add-in, add-in, and when we find the answer, that will be the sum. So let's go ahead and find the answer to the addition problems. Okay, so let's draw dots representing each add-in. Okay, so how many dots are we going to draw for the first add-in? 2. Very good. How many dots are we going to draw for the second add-in? 3. Very good. And you told me that the plus sign means to do what? Put them all together. So let's put all of the dots together and count them. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many dots are there all together? 5. And that's our what? Our sum. Good. Very good. Okay, so let's do the next one. How many dots are we going to draw for the first add-in? 8. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. How many dots are we going to draw for the second add-in? 1. Good. And the plus sign means to do what? Put them all together. Very good. So let's count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what's our sum? 9. Good. So easy. Baby work. Alrighty, so now let's look at these number sentences. And what sign do we see? We see the takeaway sign or the subtraction sign. Okay, very good. Which means we're doing what? We're taking something away. Okay, now let's see if we remember the terminology. The first number is called the what? Minuend. Very good. The minuend is what we start off with. Okay, and then what's this number? It's called the subtrahend. Good, you guys are so smart. The subtrahend is what we're taking away or what we're removing, okay? So our minuend is what? 5. So that's what we're starting off with. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, our subtrahend is what? 4. That's what we're removing. So let's remove 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. And does anybody remember what this is? Yes, it's our difference. It's our answer. It's what we have left. So how many dots do we have left once we removed 4? 1. Very good. So 1 is our difference or the answer. Okay, so let's go to the next one. What's our minuend? 5. That's how many you start with. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's our subtrahend? 0. So how many are we going to cross out? 0. We're not going to cross any out. Very good. So in that case, how many do we have left? Very good. We have 5. Very good. Excellent. Okay. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to look at page 145 at the bottom. Okay, I'm going to read the story problem and I want you to fill in the boxes, okay? It says, listen as your teacher reads the story problem. Liz picked 3 daisies for mom and 4 daisies for grandma, okay? So she picked 3 daisies for her mom and she picked 4 daisies for her grandma. How many daisies did she pick? Okay, so I want you to think about it. She picked 3 daisies for mom. She picked 4 daisies for grandma. How many daisies did she pick? Did she throw any away? And you see on the sign, there's a plus sign, right? So what's your answer? You should have gotten the answer 7. Very good. Okay, your boxes look like this. Okay, so she picked 3 daisies for mama, 4 daisies for grandma. She puts them together, she gets 7 daisies. So your answer should have been 7. Easy peasy, this is just a review. 7. And then how did you get 7? Well, she picked 3 daisies for mom, so the 3 goes here. This is the first add-in. And how many daisies did she pick for grandma? 4. So this is your second add-in, okay? Daisies. Daisies. Okay, I'm drawing enough daisies for each add-in. Put them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Easy like meat greasy. All right, turning your page. Okay? Okay, at the top of the page, you're adding. We've already gone over it. Add in some. There are no takeaway problems. So go ahead and complete that. You may use dots. You can use sticks. You can use your fingers. Whatever you want to do is fine with me. I'm just concerned about your accuracy. All right, number 2, you have to listen closely because I'm going to dictate a number sentence combination and you're going to have to write the answer. You can write the problem down if you want. It's up to you. Okay, so on the first little frog, you're going to write the answer 2. 2 plus 2. The first frog, write the sum to 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2. The second little froggy, you're going to write the answer to 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1. The third little froggy, you're going to write the answer to 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2. Only write the answer, okay? And the last little froggy, you're going to have to write the answer to 5, take away 5. 5, take away 5. Okay, only write the answers in the boxes. Okay. Now going down to number 3, we're filling in another calendar, and this is awesome because this is a brand new month. Okay, so let me draw the calendar for you. I'm going to start you off because this is like we did last time. Easy. Here's my calendar. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Remember, there are 7 days in the week, okay? Okay, so this is going to be the month of May, okay? Today, Mr. O, where's my phone? Can I borrow your phone? Hold on, guys. The calendar. Okay, I want to make sure that our calendar is correct. Okay, so May 1st was on a Friday. Okay, so the 1st of May was on a Friday. So you're going to go directly below. Thank you. Directly below Friday, and you're going to fill in the first box with May 1st. That was the first day of May. The second day of May was on a Saturday. So you're going to write a 2 right beside. So May 1st would go here. May 2nd goes right there. Then you're going to skip down and you're going to write May 3rd right here. Okay? Make sure you don't write May 3rd right here because you can't overlap your numbers. So make sure you skip a box, May 3rd, continuing May 4th. Tuesday was May 5th. The 6th was on a Wednesday. The 7th was on a Thursday. Keep going. This past Friday was the 8th. Saturday was the 9th. Yesterday was the 10th. Yesterday was Mother's Day. So that was yesterday. Today is May the 11th. This is today. And I want you to put a little heart beside today. I'm going to see who listens and follows instructions. Put a little heart beside today, the 11th. And then tomorrow is the 12th. The 13th is on Wednesday. Keep going. The 14th is Thursday. The 15th is Friday. 16th, Saturday. Let's keep going. We're going to fill out the entire month. The 17th goes under the 10th. 18th. 19th. 20th. 21st. 22nd. 23rd. 24th. 25th. Okay, there's no school on this day, so I want you to draw a smiley face. That's Memorial Day. 26th. The 27th is the last day of school, and that's where your summer vacation begins. So I want you to draw a sun representing your summer vacation. Okay, draw a sun. Okay, that's the last day of school. Then we have the 28th, 29th, 30th. Mr. Ola, is there 31 days in May? And then May 31st is on a Sunday, and this is the last day of May. Okay, so your calendar should look just like Miss O'Donnell's. The 11th day, which is today, you should have a heart. The 25th, we're out of school for Memorial Day. And the 27th is the last day of school. Yay! Okay, so now what I want you to do is I want you to get your worksheet that looks like this. And Mr. O, I need you to focus. Help me focus. And what I want you to do on this is a skill that we worked on last week. We're counting by tens and then by ones. Okay? We're counting by tens and by ones, and I want you to just kind of look up here at the board for a little bit. Move it up. Okay, so I want you to look over here at the side of the board, and this is going to represent a group of tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's a group of 10. And remember we said that you don't have to count each little ones. Each one is going to represent 10. So we have 10, and then we're going to count by ones. 10, 11, 12, 13. Easy, we did this all last week, so this should not be a challenge to anyone, okay? So your answer here is 13. Let's do another one. Okay, so let's count by tens. 10, good, 20, 30. Now let's count by ones. What comes right after 30 by ones? 30, 31, 32, 33. So our answer is 33. Okay, that's exactly what we're going to do on this worksheet, okay? So let me give you an example. Let's do a couple together, okay? So let's count by ones. Let's count by tens first and then by ones. So this is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You're going to come down here, okay, because it's 15. There's the 15. You can write 15 there if you want to, okay? But I'm going to show you what you're going to actually need to do with the worksheet. Okay, so let's do the next set. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So there's 26. Okay? And there's 26 right there. Okay? Let's count the next one. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Okay, and then there's 34 right there. Once you count them and you determine how many boxes, then your worksheet will look like this. Oh, I don't know if this is focused. Okay. So what I've done is I've colored my boxes the same color as my numbers. Okay? That's important. You must follow instructions right to the T. You're going to color your boxes the same color you color your little cubes, your little Legos, okay? I don't want them separate colors because this number represents how many boxes. This number represents how many Legos. This number represents how many Legos. Got it? So your boxes should be the same color as your numbers. You can choose any color you want to color, but they have to be the same colors, okay? And they have to be neat, just like Miss O'Donnell's, okay? So color slow as a snail and count accurately. I don't care about speed. I only want to see the correct answers, okay? So that does it for math. So you're going to complete your worksheet and your pages and you're going to submit them to me and then your day is over, okay? So you guys have a great day. I did forget something, but we're going to pick it up tomorrow because it was for reading. But no worries, no worries. But anyway, so that completes our day. I want you guys to have a great day. Go outside and play. Do something kind for your mommies, your daddies, your grandparents, or little brothers or sisters. Talk to God throughout the day and get your homework, get your assignments into me. And remember, I love you. I love you. And I'll see you tomorrow.